Hi, my name is Chris Antes, the personal chef with the Chef for You to Have, and I'm here in the Conscious Cook kitchen to show you a great recipe on how to make a salad with some ham, some kidney beans, and some chickpeas. So we'll start off. I've got some chopped up iceberg lettuce here for our salad, and just to start off, I'll give it a little bit of some cucumber, a little celery, and some tomato. And now we'll put on our ingredients here. And I've got these chickpeas. These are some pre-cooked ones out of a can, which is really good to use. Of course, if it's something you like to do at home, I like to take the dried chickpeas and soak them overnight and then cook them. And that's the same with these kidney beans. Although the kidney beans, it's definitely better to cook these as soon as possible. A lot of people have a bad reaction to it if they eat it raw. Okay, and now we'll just finish it off with some chopped up ham. And I think to finish it off, we'll add just a little bit of some cheese, because that's always good on a salad. So there you go. We've got a ham with kidney beans and chickpea salad.